It's a very spacious dining room, and this dining room is. This is the Palmer, which is the model in the Fiori. The name is Fiori, and it's in the Serrano Country Club, that gated community. When you walk in, this is a dining room, and it has a fireplace. And from this dining room, it has a very wide door, that French door open into the front. As you walk in, you can see the front patio right here. This model is 2,784 square feet. It's 3-bedroom suite, 3.5 bath, 4 more dining room, and outdoor living with 2-car garage. When you walk this way, it's open up right into the beautiful. This floor plan have the fireplace from winter gas fireplace, and the kitchen area that you can use it for bar and to store the wine. Every time this model in particular is $693,000. Everything is top of the line. Granite counter, and all of the drawer. It's a lot of room, built-in refrigerator. This is a very spacious kitchen with a very beautiful marble, and 6 gas stove right here. The kitchen is access into the family room and dining, and it's a very beautiful model home. This model have a lot of outdoor living, which I will show you next. Now that we open up to the backyard, and it's a beautiful backyard facing the water for people who want waterfront golf course. It's a beautiful. Over here is a fountain. When that table is for outdoor dining, and you built-in barbecue, the whole area for outdoor entertainment. Again, total is 2,784 square feet, 3-bedroom suite, which we're going to show you inside. 3.5 bath. This is the first bedroom in the 3-bedroom suite, and you can see that there is a lot of lighting in from all of the window, and the major window is facing out here with the water and the golf course. And you have door over here that you can open it and access to the balcony. All of this nice architecture, really worth it. And invite you right here to see the master bedroom. The master bedroom and the master bathroom right here. Beautiful bathtub with dual sink for his and hers. a nice shower area and a walk-in closet.